Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Venmo account to your PayPal account. Let's get started. While there isn't a direct button to send money straight from Venmo to PayPal, I'm going to walk you through a simple two-step process that works perfectly. The key is using your bank account or debit card as a bridge between the two apps. First, we need to move the money out of your Venmo account. Open your Venmo app and make sure you're on the home screen. Look for the button or tab that says Transfer. This is usually found on your main profile screen or in a banking section. When you tap Transfer, you'll be asked to choose a transfer speed. You'll typically see two options. The first is an instant transfer, which gets your money to your bank account in minutes but includes a small fee, usually around 1.5%. The second option is the standard 1 to 3 business days transfer, which is completely free. For this method, we don't need to pay for the instant option, so select the free 1 to 3 business day transfer. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer from your Venmo balance to your bank account. You can transfer your entire balance or just a specific amount. Once you've entered the amount, confirm the transfer. You'll see a confirmation that your transfer has been initiated. Now, open your PayPal app. On the main screen, you'll see your PayPal balance at the top. Tap directly on that balance amount. This will take you to your wallet screen. Here, look for and tap the button that says Add Money. You'll now be prompted to enter an amount. Type in the same amount that you just transferred from your Venmo account. Next, you need to choose your funding source. You'll see different options, including your linked bank account and your debit card. If you select your bank account, the transfer will be free but will take 3 to 5 days to complete. However, for a nearly instant transfer, select your debit card. Adding money to PayPal from a debit card is also free and completes in just a few seconds. Confirm the amount and tap Add. You'll see an immediate confirmation that the money has been added, and your PayPal balance will update right before your eyes. The funds you transferred from Venmo are now officially in your PayPal account, ready to use. To recap, you first transferred the money from Venmo to your bank using the free standard transfer. Then, you immediately added that same amount to PayPal using your debit card for an instant and free transfer. While the entire process isn't direct, this method ensures you move your money without paying any unnecessary fees for instant transfers on the Venmo side.